In this video, I want to show you how you can resolve your VMware Workstation Unrecoverable error, which is SVA. So it says verify Bora MKS backends Vulkan and then VGR swap chain C371. So this is simple. What you can actually do is go to power off the virtual machine and then go to display. When you go to display, uncheck 3D graphics, accelerate 3D graphics, and then click on OK, and then restart the virtual machine. That solves the problem. Then here, hit OK, then wait for it to load. This should take away the problem, right? So you can see you are able to go in now to load your virtual machine. That's it. So let's take a look. Okay, so our Windows is available for installation right now.